This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull for beginners. First, download the Webull app and complete the account opening process, which typically takes about 10 minutes. You'll need to provide some personal information and link a bank account. Once approved, you can explore the intuitive interface, customize your watch list, and begin to understand the various trading options available to you. It's a great platform for new investors. Funding your Webull account is straightforward. You can link your bank account for ACH transfers, which usually take a few business days. Once funded, navigating the trading interface is simple. You can search for specific stocks or ETFs, view their detailed charts, and place your first trade. Remember to understand the difference between market orders, which execute immediately at the current price, and limit orders, which execute at a specified price or better. Webull offers more than just basic trading. Dive into advanced charting tools with over 50 technical indicators to analyze market trends in depth. You can also practice your strategies with paper trading, using virtual money to simulate real market conditions without any financial risk. This feature is incredibly valuable for beginners to gain confidence before committing real capital. Explore the screeners to discover new investment ideas. As you begin your Webull journey, always remember to conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. Start with a smaller amount that you are comfortable losing and gradually increase your investment as you gain experience and confidence. Webull provides educational resources within the app to help you learn more. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.